In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create professional drawings from any SketchUp model using any model organization and any tags. Let's get to it. All right, so here's a simple model of a bathroom inside of SketchUp. And you can see that we have our ConDoc Tools toolbar, and then we also have our ConDoc Express Tools toolbar. I'm going to click on this first button here to open up our ConDoc System Heads-Up Display, and that shows us that we're using the Flex drawing set. Now, the Flex drawing set, it's the most flexible of our drawing sets, works with any tags and any model organization. Let's just focus on the core functionality of the ConDoc Tools extension. We're going to automate some plans with our plan generator. So I'll click the plan generator, I'll select a CAD floor plan and click Create Plans. Check it out. We just created a scene called CAD Floor Plan 01, and when I click on it, we have a floor plan. I'm going to hit the reset button to kind of jump back into that light, snappy working environment. Next up, I want to create some interior elevations. So I'm going to activate our elevation tool, and I'll click on this wall and we'll choose a color interior elevation like that. I'll go back to my elevation tool and click on this wall. We'll go to a color interior elevation like that. Now let's check out what we've got. Here's our first interior elevation. That one looks pretty good. And here's our second interior elevation. This one doesn't look so good. If I zoom out a little bit, kind of orbit, you can see that our section cut is chopping right through that bathtub. So we've got another tool on our ConDoc Express Tools toolbar. It's called Isolate Active Section Planes. When I click it, it turns on section plane visibility and hides all inactive section planes. Makes it really easy to just adjust our section plane to where we want it, and then I can click here and get back to our interior elevation. Notice that all of our scenes are being named and numbered. I'll go back and hit reset, and then finally I think I just want a perspective view, so we'll use our perspective tool and click once, and we'll choose a color interior perspective, and you can see how that one looks. So far so good. We've got our planned elevation and perspective scenes created inside of SketchUp with all of the scene names automatically created, sequentially numbered, section planes added, and camera views aligned. That's a huge help, but I don't really need scenes, I need drawings. So we're going to use our ConDoc Drawings export to send these scenes, bundle them up, send them to layout as scaled architectural drawings with optimized line weights and render settings. Let me show you what that's all about. All right, so the last tool on our ConDoc Tools toolbar is the drawing export. And I'm going to select all of our drawings, and we're going to set our default scale to be 1/2 inch. And I'll click Send to Layout, which requires me to save my model. And now we're using that Layout API to bundle all those scenes up and push them over into Layout. Inside of Layout, I'm going to click on the File dropdown and choose New to start a new document. I'll head over to My Templates and notice that we have our ConDoc Metric and ConDoc Standard title blocks available. When you install that ConDoc Tools RBZ inside of SketchUp, we dump all of these other resources inside of Layout for you. I'm going to go with an 11 by 17 presentation style title block. All right, now over in our Scrapbooks dialog, I'm going to click that drop down and head to our ConDoc Drawings scrapbook. This is where all of your ConDoc exports land. I can drag this in there now, and I like to kind of keep my drawings clean and kind of stretch the viewport around to trim out the drawing. Drag this guy in there. There's our second one, and I'll hold Alt to kind of scale that drawing viewport about the center. And then here's a final elevation like that. And then last on the list would be our color interior perspective, and I can scale that one down as well, like that. All right, so then I'm going to use our kind of edit tools here in Layout to get these things lined up. I use a Shift nudge. I hold the Shift arrow, hold the Shift key and tap the arrow key to kind of tap that at 1/4 inch and get them lined up on your page. This guy can kind of scoot down, and then I can select all these and I can center these horizontally on the page, and that's looking pretty good as of now. So we got things all kind of lined up the way I want. All right, so now that we've got all of our drawings set up on our page, we need to add some annotations and callouts to finish these off and make these into some professional drawings. Well, Good news, just like those title blocks I showed you, when you install that RBZ inside of SketchUp, we dump the title blocks as well as our ConDoc Annotations scrapbook. It has everything you need to annotate and dimension a professional set of drawings. Let me show you. All right, so back here in Layout, I'm gonna head over to my Scrapbooks Inspector and click that drop down and go to my ConDoc Annotations. This first page is actually a palette. So when I'm adding callouts and dimensions, I can just activate my tool like the dimension tool, and then I can sample, 1/2 inch in red dimensions. And then I can just click like that, set my distance, and then I can double click, and double click, and perhaps I'll even add a dimension on the side like that. And then, maybe I'll add something for like our counter height and mirror height and there. And then watch this, as I'm dimensioning, let's just say I want to dimension the tub, but I want my dimensions to be on the other side. Well, all I have to do is go back over here and sample this other placement, and now my dimensions are on the outside. So really an unknown tip or trick about layout is that you don't want to be messing around in the other inspectors. You want to use the palette. And that's the nice thing about with ConDoc, when you install that RBZ in SketchUp, we give you our ConDoc Annotation scrapbook that has the palette, has all these different line weights too. So check this out. Like if I want to throw a center line for this toilet, I could draw a line, and maybe I would choose something that's kind of got some dashes like this, and it's kind of a thicker line. And I'm going to go from edge to edge, and then if I rotate this like that, and then maybe stretch it out, and then I could go to my shape style and choose a different, like a long dash, short dash like that. And maybe I'll change this to be 0.25 like that. That might be a little bit better. All right, so now I can go to my dimensions, and then I can sample this, and then we can throw a quick center line dimension on there, and I'll double click there. And then we can head over to the next page of our ConDoc Annotations, and you can see I've got like a center line call out like that. We can add in like interior elevation callouts like this. We also have some drawing titles as well, so I can throw a drawing title on here. And I'm just going to take all these guys and I'm going to nudge them, shift nudge up like that. And I'm going to nudge this one down, and these guys we're going to nudge up like that. And then let's throw our drawing title on there like this, this, and this. And so that'll be drawing 1, 2, and 3. You can see that we're using that auto text inside of Layout in order to automatically number those drawings. These are actually at 1/2 inch. So, it's everything in Layout. It's really easy to edit. You just, use that select tool and double click in, and then you can just change that scale to be 1/2 inch equals a foot like that. And then furthermore, I might just name this guy. This will be a plan, and then this will be an elevation like this, and an elevation like that. All right, so we're pulling this together pretty quick. And what else do we have? We have some room names, and you could always throw like a camera view on there if you wanted to kind of call out where this is, this photo is taken from, like that. Looks good, but what I'm getting at is that you've got like really everything that you would possibly need to create a full set of drawings. On this next page, more callouts. You could throw like some kind of glass symbol on the mirror like that. Some detail callouts, electrical symbols. And one final thing I might do is just update my interior elevations. You can see that we're calling out, this is drawing number 2 on page 1, like that. And this is going to be drawing number 3 on page 1, like that. All right, so now everything's coordinated. This is calling out elevation number 2. This is calling out elevation number 3. We've got all of our plans dimensioned, elevations dimensioned. Looks good to me. We're going to click on the File drop-down, choose Export. We're going to export this as a PDF, and I'll throw this in the temp folder, and we'll just call this our bathroom like that. And we're going to export all those pages and make sure that we take a look at it. And let's see what we got. Perfect. All you got to do then is hit print, and you've got your professional drawings that you can use to sit down with a client, mark them up, and continue to iterate your design, submit them to the city, whatever you need to do. But I'm telling you, there is no faster way to create drawings with SketchUp Pro and Layout than when you're using the ConDoc Tools extension. It automates all the scenes that you need to create drawings and layout, automates the connection between SketchUp and Layout, and furthermore, if you dig into the industry pages, like our architect and interior designer pages, you can see how when you load those drawing sets, you now get access to our ConDoc tagging system, which allows you to assign multiple SketchUp tags to one entity. It's a game changer for model organization in SketchUp. No more nested groups within groups within groups. But hey, don't take my word for it. Give it a try for yourself. Start a free 7-day trial. We have a ConDoc quick start tutorial. You'll get walked through all the basics, and I promise you're going to find that this is the best way to create professional drawings using SketchUp Pro and Layout. Don't hesitate to schedule a ConDoc discovery call so that I can help you understand exactly how this program is going to work for you. Or just give me a call at the office, 720-443-3242. I look forward to talking with you. I'll catch you in the next video.